Hey, how y'all doing, guys? It's time to draw the names for the raffle, and I told y'all I would run it through July 24th, and I wanted you to see. I wasn't in the office yesterday, but today is the 26th, and today is the day we're doing the drawing. So I wanted to let y'all know. Got all the names in the bucket here, and I'm going to set it off to the side there for a minute. I want to thank each and every one of you immensely. I can't say thank you enough for watching my videos and liking the shop and everything. I'm just honored that you did. I really am. And I told you all I was going to give away 5 of the blocks. And I hate to apologize. I sincerely do. But I lied. I'm going to give away 10 of the blocks. I'm going to draw 10 names and send them to you. So I wanted to let y'all know. So let's get drawing some names. And again, all the little pieces of paper are sitting right here. And I'm going to do my darndest to stay looking at you guys. Okay. First name is Scott, T-I-B-B-E-L-S. Scott Tibbles. Scott, U11. Make sure I don't grab 2 at the same time, man. Okay. Here we go. Jason Farley. F-A-R-R-E-L-L. There you go, Jason. You won one of them. Yeah, one. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Kevin Anderson. Kevin, you won one. What's that, 3? I want to pull out 1. There we go. Okay. Corey Masters. Corey, you won one. That would be 4. Gary Shelton, S-H-E-L-T-O-N. Gary, you won one. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Yep. Thomas, P-R-U-S-H-A. Thomas Pershay. P-R-U-S-H-A. Number 6. You won one. Yeah, got 1. John LaFranz. John, I ought to know how to pronounce your last name. F-A-L-A-F-R-E-N-I-E-R-E. John, you won one. Number 7. Stir them up a little bit. All right. Number 8. Zachary, B-R-O-S-I-O-U-S. Broisus. Zachary, you won one. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 2 more. All right, let's go. Kenneth Ed W-E-W-A-L-D. Kenneth, you won one. And number 10. Chuck Woodard. Chuck, you won one. All right. All you guys get one of the big blocks. What's left in the bucket? Guys, I'm going to draw 5 more. The next 5, I don't have any more large ones, but I do have some smaller ones. Like I said, I wish I could give everyone one, so I can't. So I'm doing this separately so you'll know. Those are the 10 large ones. Let's draw 5 more names. Chris Johnson, Johnsson. Chris, you won one of the smaller blocks. Lucas Reith, R-E-I-T-H. Lucas, you won one of the smaller blocks. Knew it. Okay. Oh, there's not a name on this one. Just one of those silly YouTube names. I'll spell it out. Q as in Quincy. U-I-X. O-T-I-C. 1X. That's Quintex 1X. Q-U-I-X-O-T-I-C 1X. You won the 3rd small one. Drop one again. All right. Scott Olijar. O-L-I-J-A-R. Scott, you won one of the small ones. That is 4. Interesting. V-O-Q-K. V-O-Q-K. I'm sorry, I don't know a name. That was what's on the YouTube. You won a small one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Guys, I lied again. I'm going to give away 10 small ones. Let's draw 5 more names. Almedia Chaney. A-L-M-E-D-I-A-C-H-A-N-E-Y. Amelia, you won a small one. 1, yeah. All right. Jeremy Haynes, H-A-I-N-E-S. Jeremy Haynes, you won a small one. 3 more. Well, I don't want to pick up 2 again. Well, don't want to. No. Peter Vick, V-I-K. Peter, you won a small one. Let me make sure, guys. I don't want to make a mistake. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 2 more for the small one. Nancy, B-R-E-N-N-E-M-A-N-N. Nancy, B-R-E-N-N-E-M-A-N-N. You won one of the small ones, Nancy. And I say small, they're not that small. They're very nice blocks. And the last and final name. Alright. Ta-da. Clayton D-O-O-L. Dool. Clayton Dool. D-O-O-L. Clayton, you won the 10th small one. There you go, guys. I know I told y'all only 5, but that's 20. Each one of y'all, please shoot me a comment on this video. Send me your email address so I can get in touch with you, please, and get these beautiful blocks out to you. And thank you so much. Oh, and I wanted to tell you, I bet all y'all know why the chicken crossed the road. But do you know why the rooster crossed the road? Do you? Well, come on, to get to the chickens. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Don't hate me. I am who I am, and that's all that I am. What can I say? Guys, shoot me a comment on here and send me an email so I can get a hold of y'all. And congratulations to everybody that won. And everyone else, I'm going to do this again and again. Again, I wish I could give everybody one, but that's impossible. But I'm rambling on again here, y'all. Send me those comments with those emails. Talk to you later now. See you on the next one. Bye.